This shoe cabinet housed the pairs of shoes that I've given away. Now we're heading to the very spacious dining and living area. You have seen this table on few of my vlogs in the past where we have our mukbangs. This upright piano belongs to the new tenant, and this is the spacious living area. The TV has not been used since we moved in 3 years ago. Now we're heading to the balcony and look at that view. It's a very beautiful day today. And downstairs, that's where the bus stop is that will bring us to the MRT station. Now we have few plants because we have given away some of them, and we're going to bring few to the new house we're moving to. This house got 3 bedrooms, one master bedroom with an attached toilet and bath, but we're going to only cover the room that we're renting in, which is a common room. This is the only built-in closet in the room, which looks small, but it can house all of the clothes and stuff that the three of us have. This corner is our gadget charging station. These curtains are from IKEA, which I folded into half and just hook it up. So what I love about this room is the storage unit. There are shelves already built in, as well as the work desk and drawers. And there's also tons of natural light coming in, so we don't have to turn on the lights during the day. But since the window is facing northeast, so during in the morning it tends to be hot here, so this make the curtains help a lot to keep the temperature down inside the room. Hi, Duran. There used to be 2 side tables which are from IKEA, but I already sold them because we're moving out and we don't need those storage anymore. This duvet cover is from Spotlight, as well as the quilt. I think this one is from Miniso. My wife got it. The bolster and this hotel pillows are from BHG. The feather pillows are from Spotlight, as well as the sheets. And I used to have 2 drawers in this area. If you watch my video when I was showing my shoe collection, which I gave away, I also sold those 2 drawers from IKEA, which I don't need anymore. So this place is being occupied by Laurent's hammock. I had a video of unboxing for this one, which we got from Shopee. And those toys mostly gifts, and some are from Hamleys in Marina Bay Sands. This one's a gift from a friend who's living in Thailand. And then we got this in Bath and Body Works, Marina Bay Sands, and well, these are bought online. And then here, I think this is her current favorite because it's almost halfway. Next favorite is the lavender and also the green tea. This one I got her since 2 years ago, and I think she only used it once. I got this from Chanel beauty store in Raffles City. Then these are the stuff I got her in Mac in Robinson's Raffles City. It's already closed, and this headband is the ribbon from the Chanel store that I got this perfume from. Here, just random stuff, but mostly are baby stuff, creams and lotions. On my side, I got these books because we're reading books to our baby before she sleeps, and my wife got this Himalayan rock salt lamp from the Philippines. We got this lamp from IKEA, and then I got my perfumes there. This was a gift during my birthday, and I think this is almost finished. I always use this whenever I go as well as this L'Eau de Chanel Parfum. This is 150 ml, and Eugene told me, my sales associate, that this entire bottle can last a year, but it's been with me for 2 years. Well, I still have half of it. And then two other daily favorites, Eternity Summer and Eternity for Men. Like this. From Calvin Klein, and I still have some tea tree essence from the Body Shop and vitamin E cream from Blackmore's, and some samples from Chanel Beauty. And then on this corner, I have some oils and balms that I put on before I sleep. This too is called Deep Sleep Night Oil from This Works. These are both oils that were given to me by Nikki. Hi Nikki. So this is a roller that I would just roll on my temple and my nostrils, and then this oil is just, I rub it on my skin. But the most that I use is either this or this, because it has a very cooling effect, while these are for calming effect. And also my AirPods, because I edit my videos before going to sleep. It's moving day. I have some run stuff. The van that we hired was there, but I'm waiting for a Grab car for us to load this. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye, Lola.
Okay, we're going to Bedok South.
Having
Ready?
yes. Diba? Ang laki niyan. At saka may floating solar panels na siya. It's been a while, di ba? 2013 tayo nandito. Well, here.
See this rock?
Yeah.
So I'll let you there at the lobby.
Yes, please.